You're gonna love the 2022 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This crisply styled Range Rover Evoque delivers solid versatility, lively performance, and tasteful design. Be prepared to relax and enjoy every journey in modern luxury, underpinned by engineering excellence in this inspired subcompact SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power passenger seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, Bluetooth connection, dual zone AC, power driver seat, heated front seat, stability control. Substance meets tasteful style in this upscale Range Rover Evoque. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.